going to take that power steering pump out and rebuild it. I already have a kit for it. This is obviously going to go before the turbo. Silicone coupler. It was supposed to arrive in the mail today, but I have not seen it, so. An open downpipe. It is only 2.5 inch. That was exactly the size of the flange. I didn't have a whole lot of room to work with. And I am already limited on injector, so I might as well just run it this way. I don't think it's gonna be too much of a problem at up to 8 psi. A little more stuff to do, but it's getting close to getting to test drive time. I burn off some of this regular fuel